Okay, Southwind Bay is going to start at the back of the cove, this dead ahead. And there's two sections of Southwind Bay. This is the first one, basically. Southwind Bay Drive is where this property is located. And it's going to come out here on this nice little peninsula. You got some great open views from these houses. And we're going to go around the point. It's going to go back to the left, and that's where we're going to go here in just a moment to take a picture or take a view of more of the property. Slope goes, I mean, great slope. I mean, it's 1.5 to 2. Most of these have just gentle sloping topography. Trees are, you know, not as many trees. There were a lot of pines on this property, especially on the point. So not a lot of those trees are left. Still got some pines back here on this property that was not taken out. But still, great community. Now, obviously, as we move around to our left, some of these lots will be looking back towards Oak Point subdivision. And then as we move on around here, kind of looking back southern exposure, you really start to see some wonderful open water views looking back across Lake Kiwi from some of these properties here in Southwind Bay. A couple, 2-3 protected islands that you get to see looking out through there. All right, let's go ahead and ride now over to the back side of the property and look at the actual second section of Southwind Bay. Okay, we were just on the other side of the point here in Southwind Bay. Kind of follow the contour of the shore. It's got some wonderful homes in this crescent community here on the lake. Like I said, topography is great. Trees are good. And if you look back towards the boat slips, the property will go back to right beside the boat slips, lot number 8. So it goes back and dead ends at the end of the, end of the cove, right there past the boat slips to the left, okay? So that's where the property is going to dead end. Just go ahead and take another view of the property one more time. And let's look at our actual view looking out across the lake from where we would be on a lot of these properties. Excuse me, the properties out on the point, this was the view that you would wind up having. Open water, protected islands. Okay, alrighty. Southwind Bay, wonderful crescent community here on Lake Kiwi. Just got wonderful homes in the neighborhood.